As you can see, all wires are secure. I've checked the Z motor, checked the power fan. You can see the connection to the LCD screen is fine. Connection to the power is fine. When the unit is plugged in, the UV LED comes on. But even the power light back here no longer comes on. You can see the switch is on. Also, this appeared to be a refurbished unit because the LCD screen was not secure in there. So somebody refurbished the LCD screen. I paid for a new printer, so I would like you to replace this one. Thank you.